how to show or hide notification after calls recording on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. After that, tap on the More button. Then from the menu, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Record Calls. And then tap on Show Notification after recording. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. And when you turn this on, after you have finished recording the calls, it will show the notification. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.